has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, eastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Addicks Park 10, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bel Air, West University Place, Katy, Tomball, Jersey Village, Hempstead, Prairie View, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Pinehurst, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Spring Branch North, Mission Bend, Eldridge, or West Oaks, Spring Branch West, Addicks Park 10, Spring Valley, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area and Pecan Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.